RhinoShield recently released their new 3D Impact screen protectors for their iPhones, and they sent me some to review. And so far, I really like using these over their older ones. Now, I'm not going to smash my phone with a hammer to show you how protective they are, because you can find some on their own website, or probably you can look it up on YouTube. In the box, you do get one screen protector with a microfiber cloth and some guiding stickers. For the price, they go about for 25 bucks, and I do have a link and discount code down below if you are interested. Now for the box, they show you how to install it, but for me, I prefer the hinge technique just because I do find it a little bit easier to install. Now as you can tell, the screen protector do have some black areas or a black outline, so when you install it, you would have to be pretty precise. So if it's like a degree or two off, then it will cut into the screen, so you would have to reapply it. So take your sweet time, because once you have this on, you're not going to regret it. So what I love about using these screen protectors is that they look so seamless once you have them on. Those black areas, they give you the illusion that there's nothing there at all. With many other screen protectors, they tend to end short right before the edge. Now from my experience using the old RhinoShield one, I like how it feels. It feels pretty close to glass, and the only problem I had with it is the corners tend to show a lot of air bubbles when it gets too hot or humid. And so far with this new one, I have not experienced that at all. For glass screen protectors, they are pretty much the same thing. They do fall off short, and they do have a bigger bump. So if you do slide from the edge, you can actually feel it way more than the plastic ones. After using this for a couple of days, like I said before, it legit looks like I have nothing on my screen. And once I put on a case, it's completely invisible. I don't see it, I don't feel it. So this is something I wish I could have on all my phones. And hopefully in the future they would do exactly that on all the Android phones out there, because right now it's only for iPhones. For touch performance, it's really similar to a lot of screen protectors out there, so I have no problems with it. It does have an oleophobic coating on there, so for the past couple of days, I have not really seen too much fingerprints or smudges on my screen. And the great thing about having black areas, especially on the new iPhone SE, is that I don't really have to worry about dust under those black spots. So it's a little bit easier to install, but I would have to be more precise. And I tried many other screen protectors out there, and out of all of them, they all look pretty much the same. Obviously some have those rainbow coating effect, which this one doesn't, but it doesn't look like this. It doesn't look like it's invisible on the screen. And I think that is the best thing about this screen protector, is that it looks so seamless. Now, if you are interested in getting your own, I do have the link and discount code down below, so please follow me on Instagram, give a like, subscribe, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.